How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get abs for beginners naturally. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So to get six-pack abs, there's two things that we need to do. These two things have to happen if we want our abs to show. One, we must be a low body fat percentage. Two, we must have developed enough muscle in our ab area. Now, the second one is what people don't really know of, because on the internet, literally anytime I go on a workout forum, a fitness forum, a bodybuilding forum, it doesn't matter. Everyone repeats the exact same thing. Get to 10% body fat, your abs will show. And you see all these people in the comment section, if you actually read the topics and stuff, they're at 10, 9, 8% body fat. And it's true because they're using calipers. They're getting DEXA scans done. They're testing their body fat percentage, and they are at those body fat percentage ranges, yet they don't have abs. And then everyone will reply to them saying, well, you're probably not 10% body fat. You're probably like 20% body fat. No, here is what is happening. Though your ab muscles are not developed. If you're skinny and you lose weight and you get to 10% body fat already, your abs have no muscle on them. Just like my arms. Before I started lifting weights, my arms were like 11 inches. They were so tiny. And there was no separation. There was no definition on them. So even though I was a very low body fat percentage, I could not see any separation in my arm. Same for my abs. I was, for the longest time, I would walk around 8-9% body fat. I was super skinny at the time. I had no abs. My stomach was literally just flat. That's it. It was flat, no abs. Could not see abs. And everyone's like, whoa, you probably have six-pack abs. It's like, no, like I even had a little bit of a belly, to be honest. Like, you have to develop those ab muscles, just like you would develop your biceps, you would develop your chest, your shoulders, your back, your glutes, your quads. You have to develop the muscles. The simplest way of getting your abs extremely tight, in my opinion, for beginners is to hold things overhead or to do any type of movements where you're lifting things overhead. I find that it works amazing for strengthening your core. Another thing that works really well is doing farmer walks. Farmer walks is literally where you've got two dumbbells and you just walk. That is it. I'm picking these two things because that's what professional strongmen do. A lot of their events they do is overhead lifting, and a lot of the things they do is they carry heavy things. If you look at professional strongmen, their abs, in my opinion, are way more shredded than even professional bodybuilders. Like, their abs are shredded to the bone. So that's what I recommend. End the video. Thank you so much for watching.